Hey everybody, Craig here, CLP Bushcraft. So in this video, I kind of want to show you something that I put together, something that I kind of built, I guess you would say. And it's kind of to go along with my Paladin 33 Outback and Dyneema. This is, I made a video here a while back and showed you what I keep in it. It's kind of my urban everyday carry system, or whatever I guess you'd say, or everyday carry system. Don't necessarily has to be urban, and hence why that I want to add this item to it. So back last month, wind up going on vacation, me and the family, and we wind up going to left here at East Texas and went to New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, Utah, into Colorado and stuff like that. And I pretty much carried this everywhere I went. I'm walking around the Grand Canyon, I had this. Walking around the streets of Vegas, I had this. And in the other video, I showed you everything I keep in it. And I kind of got to thinking, though, while I was on vacation and we were in kind of some of them rural areas. Of course, I had my normal pack with me, and I have a video on that one as well, showing you everything that I keep in it. But I kind of was like, okay, if I was out of the vehicle, whatever, and I just had just this with me, I didn't have the other pack, what kind of survival items do I really have in it? And really, truly, I didn't have a lot. So I thought, well, I kind of want to put together like one of the small, like Altoids tin style kits, survival kit. So while we was in Vegas, I went to a candy store, went in there, and they had several different tins and stuff. And I seen this, and I'm like, I freaking love it. It's so cool. As being a child of the 80s, like myself, I had one of the old school Game Boys like this. So, and then it's a tin. So when I see it, I'm like, I don't care what kind of candy's in it. I just want the tin to make as my little survival tin. And I could keep it in my Paladin 33 chest pouch like that. So what I want to do is show you the contents of what that I've put into it so far. And it might change. Right now it's kind of like everything that I feel I kind of need in it, but you know how kits are, they're always evolving. So let me adjust the camera around and show you what's inside this. Okay, y'all just going to kind of bear with me with the shadows here. I've got the sun to my back. So this kit is about the size, or this tin is about the size of a normal little Altoids tin. And the difference is the lead actually completely removes from this versus, hinge one. But that's fine with me. It actually fits really secure on there with everything inside it. And you could also put like a Ranger band around it if you felt like that it was going to come open on you. So first off in the kit is some Kevlar cordage, and it's about, I don't know, 10 foot or so, I guess, of Kevlar cordage. And if you know I'm getting a frame here. If you know Kevlar, you could actually saw through wood and stuff with this. So got that in there. There's some cordage. Then I've got one of the little ceramic blades, and this comes from Wazoo. But this has two uses. One, you could cut with it with a ceramic blade. And the other use, this is my firesteel.com little small ferro rod. But you also use it as a striker, so it's dual purpose. So that way I've got a cutting instrument in there, and I've got a way to strike my ferro rod. So I got fire. Then these also come from Wazoo. This is the, forgot what the material is. but it's a bag, a plastic style bag, and you could actually boil water inside these bags. You're holding it over a fire, but it's very, very strong material, very durable. It's got some, I just got some little twist ties on it so that, you know, I could actually put water in it and actually tie it up if need be and carry it. I do want to put some water purification tablets with it. Haven't done that yet, but I need to get some to put with it, so that way I've got, you know, a way of procuring water. Little button compass. This also is from Wazoo. So I wanted to have some kind of little fish kit in here, and this is also another item from Wazoo. And if you don't know Wazoo, Wazoo's, they specialize in like small, like everyday carry type stuff for survival. And they make what's a cache belt that you could actually store stuff like this in the belt. That is my normal everyday wear belt. I love it. They also have caps that you can store stuff in the caps too. So check out Wazoo. It's a really, really good company, really good people, and they have some really cool EDC style gear for survival. But it's got fish hooks in it, some weights. It's got a needle in it, some little safety pins, stuff like that. Then I got just a little small O-light. It's like a little LED light, fairly bright, but it's really, really lightweight and small. That's what I liked about this one. Then from LTR Knives, this is their Grim survival card or Grim card, whatever. It's their Pout House edition. So if you're a Pout House member with LTR Knives, you get access to buy cool stuff like this. So with this card, it's really neat. It's got it's got tweezers. So if you get you a sticker or whatever in your hand, it really works well. Then you've got different nut drivers to be able to loosen or tighten the different nuts on bolts. You've got a can opener here. You've got a saw right here where you could saw on something. Then it's got like a little Pout House. I know the light on this thing is kind of wonky trying to see everything on it. But this actually pop out. It's kind of a little pendant deal you can wear, but you can actually like strike with it. And then with it being out, you could, when I say strike with it, you can strike a ferro rod with it, or you can scrape with it, get tinder, something like that. And then you could use it as a bottle opener as well once you remove that. But yeah, really cool item that Grim Survival makes for LTR Knives. And like I say, it's their Pout House exclusive. So if you ain't a member of the Pout House, you need to join up. It's well worth it. So got that in there. Then I've got some snare wire, snare wire, also from Wazoo. It's just enclosed in this rubber deal here, just like the fish hooks and stuff. Then I got some duct tape. This is another item also from Grim, and it's a line card. So this would kind of go along with the fish hooks and stuff. So you actually have fishing line inside this card right here. And you can see like it's got a little cutter right here if you need to take a little bit and cut it, whatever. Or you could use it for sewing, that kind of thing. And then lastly, I've got a Wazoo fire card. And what's really cool about this card is, you can see where I've kind of scraped it already. The material this is made out of is the same stuff it's made out of picks, guitar picks and stuff. But you can shave this down. You could actually use the little striker here, and you shave off pieces of it like so. And that is very flammable. So that way I've got a fire starter with me. It burned up really quick. It got to have a little bit more of it than that, but as you see what I mean, it'll light up. So if you scrape off and get a pile of this, like I say, this ain't nothing to scraping with this little ceramic scraper. So we get a little pile of it here. Get it together. Voila. Excellent fire starter. So that's kind of the items that I felt that I kind of wanted and needed with me. You know, that way, one major thing is to be able to have fire. The other is, you know, the way to do water. Like I say, I can boil water with this. And I want, like I said, I want to get water purification tablets. I can acquire food with snare wire, you know, squirrels, that kind of thing. Fishing. I got fish hooks to be able to try to be able to catch fish. I've got the Grim LT Knives Pout House card. I got a saw on it. I've got tweezers, kind of a little bit of first aid. Another thing I guess I could put in here is a couple of band-aids and stuff if need be. I've got the little light, you know, for some illumination. I've got a little button compass to help for navigation. Ferro rod, of course, for the fire. Cordage, and I could use it as a saw as well. And then the little ceramic blade. But there you go. Fits all nice and neatly in this cool little tin that's shaped like a Game Boy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our LT Knives channel here. And we got a lot more content to come in the future. Thank you for watching.